Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Minecraft connection refused server error on your Windows PC. First, allow Minecraft in Java through Windows Firewall. Press the Windows key, type Firewall, and open Windows Defender Firewall. On the left, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then select Change Settings. Find every entry named Java Platform SE Binary and Minecraft. Make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. Click OK, then restart Minecraft and see if the error is gone. If the issue continues, check whether your antivirus program or VPN is blocking the connection. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disconnect it and try joining the server again. If you have third-party antivirus software, add Minecraft and Java to its whitelist or exceptions list so they are not blocked. Finally, reset your network settings. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click on it, and choose Run as an administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type net sh winsock reset and press Enter. Once both commands have finished, restart your computer and launch Minecraft again. After completing these steps, try connecting to the server. Thanks for watching.